If your iPhone keeps routing audio to your hearing aids and you want to switch back to the speaker right here, I'm going to break this down and help you step by step. First, let us talk about switching during a phone call or FaceTime call. When the call is active, look at your iPhone screen over here. Tap on the audio or speaker button right here in the call controls. You will see a list of audio options. Go ahead and select speaker. Oh, great. The sound would now come out of your iPhone speaker already. Anyways, if you are listening to music videos or any other media, then the steps are a bit different. Go ahead and open the control center. On newer iPhones, swipe down from the top right corner. Over here, touch and hold the audio card, or tap the AirPlay icon. Now look for iPhone or speaker in the list. Select it, and the audio would switch away from your hearing aids. Okay. Now, if you want to make this change permanent so your calls do not automatically go to hearing aids, you gotta adjust one setting. Go ahead and open Settings. Tap Accessibility. Select Touch. Scroll down and look for Call Audio Routing. Change it from Automatic or Hearing Devices to Speaker. Make sure this is set correctly, so future calls would go straight to the speaker, which is pretty adequate. Oh, and here is a bright smart tip. You can triple-click the side button to bring in hearing controls quickly if you have that shortcut enabled already. This would let you switch devices faster during a call. Anyways, if the speaker option does not show up and you gotta force it, go ahead and open Control Center. Turn off Bluetooth for a bit. This would disconnect the hearing aids and link up the audio back to the iPhone speaker. Okay, so that is how you can switch from hearing aids to speaker on iPhone. Make sure you pick the method that fits what you are doing right here. If you have any other questions, you can go ahead and ask, and I would like to help you.